We don't have to sit here and worry about cybersecurity. We trust that we've got all the right tools, the techniques, and the training, and we can solely focus on our business, not these other problems that we've entrusted a great partner like Snaptech IT with. I'm Nate Ankrum. I'm the president of Genuine Machine Products. We are a contract manufacturer in the aerospace and defense market segment.
Because we work with the defense industry, we have a lot of confidential data in our system that we can't risk having compromised, having somebody hack us.
The threats are every day all around us, all over the world. Our technology that our defense industries create have to be protected.
When I came over here, one of my main missions that was given to me by ownership was to get the facility into a mature position for cybersecurity. I quickly recognized that we needed to reach out to Snaptech to come in and assess.
All of our customers have very high compliance standards that we need to abide by to keep their information safe when it's in our hands. So Snaptech IT has helped us get to that level and assure our customers that their information is safe with us.
Having Snaptech IT providing their onboarding process allows us to have a minimal amount of downtime between an employee's start date and when they can actually get to their job.
I have to worry about our national security because I've got to deliver parts that are going to these aircraft or these logistics points. That's my focus. I'm not an IT professional, and I have to rely on the partners that I trust. And that's why I love having Snaptech IT, because I can sleep peacefully at night.